Good morning, class. Today we have two new students. You, young lady in the green skirt, what is your name?
My name is Julie.
My name is Amy. I'm Julie's sister.
Okay, now that Amy and Julie introduced themselves. Now it's time to do some math. Eric, what's 120,183 times 28?
It's 3,365,124.
That's correct. Russell, what's 97 times 24?
It's 2,328.
Correct. Kerry, what's 98 times 68?
It's 6272.
That's correct. Jocelyn, what's 10 times 20?
It's 120.
Wrong.
What do you mean?
Jocelyn, did you not pay attention? The real answer was 200. Julie, what's 1370 times 230?
It's 39.
Wrong.
What do you mean?
Julie, did you not pay attention? The real answer was 315,100. Amy, what's 137 times 238?
It's 44.
Wrong.
What do you mean?
Amy, did you not pay attention? The real answer was 32,606.
Can Mr. Will report to my office, please?
Class, I'll be right back and don't do anything stupid. As for the three of you, as punishment for getting the answer wrong, you will be getting an after-school detention from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Oh no, we're screwed.
That's right, Jocelyn, you three are screwed. I'll be right back, class.
What in the name of Chuck E. Cheese's?
I know, Julie. What in the name of Chuck E. Cheese's is right.
I can't believe Mr. Will gave us after-school detention just because we got the answer wrong. Now we're screwed.
You know what?
What is your plan, Julie?
I'm going to pull a fire alarm. Would you like to help me, Amy?
Sure, anything for you, sister.
Wow, are you going to pull a fire alarm?
Would you like to join us, Jocelyn?
Sure.
Girls, I don't think it's a good idea.
You can get in trouble for that.
I agree with Russell and Carrie. You shouldn't pull a fire alarm.
Eric, Russell, and Carrie, would you please shut the fuck up and mind your own business?
Yeah, I agree with my sister Amy. Shut the fuck up and mind your own business.
Yeah, that's right. You better shut the fuck up and mind your own business.
Hey! Don't talk to us like that.
Yeah, I agree with Russell and Eric. If you girls pull the fire alarm, you're going to regret it later.
Shut up, Carrie. No one needed you to get involved.
Girls, what are we waiting for? Are we going to pull the fire alarm or not?
I wonder, who pulled a fire alarm?
I'm not sure. Is it a fire drill?
Who would create this type of fuckery?
I don't know.
Who would do this type of stuff?
I'm not sure. We'll find out soon enough.
Hey everyone, it's Principal Eric speaking. It turns out that there's no fire in the building. A couple of students must have pulled it, so everyone is excused. You may all go home now while we investigate who the suspects were. I better check the security camera to see who pulled the fire alarm. Whoever did it, they will be in severe trouble, then get an unexpected surprise tomorrow. Now it's time to check the cameras to see who the suspect is. Aha! I knew it was Jocelyn. Amy and Julie, they're the ones that pulled the fire alarm. That's it. I'm calling the police for tomorrow to meet up at the school tomorrow so these three girls get an unexpected surprise. Hello? Is this the police?
Yes, it is. How can we help you today?
Someone pulled the fire alarm, causing the school to go home early for today.
So, who did it?
The three girls did it.
The three girls did it? What are their names?
Jocelyn, Amy and Julie. Oh my fucking god, I can't believe these 3 girls pulled the fire alarm. They're so going to get it tomorrow.
Okay, thank you for telling me.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh no, we're screwed.
That's right, Jocelyn. You girls are so screwed.
I can't believe you girls pulled a fire alarm.
Why would you girls pull that fire alarm? Don't you girls realize that pulling a fire alarm is a crime?
What? A crime? We didn't know that pulling a fire alarm was a crime.
Yes, you do know. Don't act like we were born yesterday, you fucking shit.
Don't you even start crying. You've brought this on yourselves for pulling a fire alarm.
That's right. Don't even start bringing your tears out. Crying about it isn't going to get you out of this.
You girls are suspended for 2 weeks.
No 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 no.
No, please. We don't want to be suspended. We're so sorry for pulling the fire alarm. Can you please give us another chance? We swear to God that it won't happen again.
No, it's too late. You girls should have thought of that before pulling the fire alarm.
I agree with Officer Steven. Saying sorry isn't going to get you out of this.
That's right. You girls think that sorry is going to get you out of this? No, sorry is not going to get you out of this. You fucking shit.
You girls will also be under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
No 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 no.
No, please. We don't want to go to jail. We're so sorry for pulling the fire alarm. Please don't arrest us. We're so sorry for pulling the fire alarm.
Girls, what did I tell you earlier? Your apologies aren't going to get you out of this. Now get in the police car. You girls are going to jail for 2 months.
This is your cell. Stay there for 2 months. Also, girls, you have some visitors who want to talk to you. Trust me, they aren't very happy for what you did. So get ready and be prepared for lots of yelling. You fucking shit.